Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Hagersville, Ontario, a charming community nestled in Haldimand County. Located about 45 kilometers southwest of Hamilton, Hagersville offers a blend of rich history and modern amenities. The story of Hagersville began around 1855, when brothers Charles and David Hager purchased much of the land here, leading to the village's establishment. The construction of major railways, like the Canada Southern Railroad in 1870, and the Hamilton and Lake Erie Railway in 1873, spurred the village's growth and prosperity. During World War II, Hagersville played a role in the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan, with the establishment of No. 16 Service Flying Training School by the Royal Canadian Air Force. After the war, this site became Camp Hagersville, used by the Canadian Army until its closure in 1964. Nowadays, the area has been transformed into an industrial park, with some of the original military homes still standing, known as White Oaks Village. As we continue our drive, let's appreciate the rich history and vibrant community that make Hagersville a unique and welcoming place in Ontario.
Thanks for watching!